Today I'll be showing you what you need in your blow dry and thermal service bag for your cosmetology exam. So the only things that I do not show in this video would be my blow dryer and my curling iron. For this state board test, they do ask that you have a Marcel style curling iron. So inside of my bag I have some towels. I also have some end papers that you will need to test the heat of your curling iron. I also put a styling cape inside of my bag as well as a round brush. I use this comb for demonstration purposes, but this is not the comb I would use on my state board. I have a rat tail comb. I would definitely put extra of those in your bag along with some clips. And then, like I said, don't forget your blow dryer and your curling iron. I'll make sure that I insert a picture so you can see what style of curling iron they want you to have on your test.